So in order to isolate antibiotic producers, we're first going to start off with soil. There's incredible microbial diversity in soil. We've used it in several of our experiments already. And part of that microbial diversity includes a lot of bacteria that can actually make antibiotics. So to start off, we need to make a dilution series. So we'll start with a gram of soil, and we're going to put it into some water that's 99 milliliters of water. And by doing so, we're going to be diluting this by 100 times. So this is going to be a 100x dilution or a 10 to the negative 2 dilution. Soil in there, put the label on. So from this 10 to the negative 2 dilution, we're going to then dilute it 10 times to make a 10 to the negative 3 dilution, and then dilute the 10 to the negative 3 dilution 10 times to make a 10 to the negative 4 dilution. So I'll show you how to do that. So basically, each of these smaller bottles has 9 milliliters of water in here. And so what we'll do is transfer 1 milliliter of the higher dilution into the 9 milliliter bottle to make our 10x dilution. So I'll pipette 1,000 microliters or 1 milliliter into this other bottle. And there we go. So that 10 times dilution makes our 10 to the negative 3 dilution. So next, use a new tip. I'll take 1 milliliter of this 10 to the negative 3 dilution. And put it into 9 milliliters of water. And that makes a 10 to the negative 4 dilution. So these are our 3 dilution series that we'll be using in antibiotic producers experiment. So now we're ready to put the dilutions onto nitrate salt plates with nystatin added. Nystatin being an antifungal agent, we're trying to grow only bacteria on our plates. What we're going to do is spread 0.1 mils or 100 microliters of each of these dilutions. So I've got my pipette set to 100 microliters here, and we'll start off spreading the 10 to the negative 4 dilution. So first thing, 100 microliters right onto the middle of the plate there. So we'll be spreading the dilutions out on our plate is with these sterile plastic spreaders. Sometimes I call them hockey sticks. So what you do, you've got your dilution in the middle there, and what I like to start off with doing is just kind of rotating the plate like so, which spreads it kind of all the way across, and then you can go kind of back and forth with the hockey stick. Basically, the biggest point is that you spread the culture all over the plate. So we're trying to get a lawn of growth here. So now, once that's spread across, we can move on to others in the dilution series and spread them the same way.